Something massive just changed within Printify, and if you use Printify or have been planning to, you absolutely need to know how to use this. It's an update that's going to save so many sellers so much time when it comes to listing, and it's been the biggest change that I've been this excited about in a long time. And that's the ability to create multi-product listings right from Printify itself. Before, you either had to create them manually, it took a lot of time, or use external products to be able to link to Printify to get these linked, and it still took quite a bit of setup. And now it is as simple as a button click. So first of all, why is this important? Well, so many sellers on Etsy like to offer different sizes, maybe different styles of t-shirts. Maybe they have a matching mom and kid shirt. There are so many use cases in which maybe someone doesn't just want to sell a t-shirt in one listing. They want to have a few different options. And previously, if you were selling or listing with Printify so that your listing would link back to Printify, you could only create a shirt and send it over to Etsy. You can only create a sweatshirt and put it over to Etsy, versus now you can do something like this. And you have probably seen this all over Etsy, where if you go to size, you'll see people offering things like short sleeve youth shirts, tank tops, long sleeves, sweatshirts. And if you've used Printify before, you know that to be able to set this up and have it all linked so that your whole print on demand process is automated, that this part in setting this up would take quite a bit of work. But now within Printify, they have this thing called multi-product listings, and it is extremely easy to create. And all you have to do is go to your products and then create all the different variations that you plan to sell. For example, maybe for me, I want to offer a mama and dada shirt. So I actually want to sell the same product, but I just want to offer it in two different types, so that in one listing I can sell a matching couple shirt, whether this be a mama and mini shirt, a mama and dada, a sisters matching shirt, any type of group shirt that someone might buy, different types of variations all in one listing. You just have to build out both listings right within Printify. So here I've created the dada shirt and I've created a mama shirt, and all you have to do is check mark both of them, and with the different variations that you want to have selected, just come up to the top and hit create multi-product listing. Once that's created, just go ahead and do what you typically do in any other Printify listing. Add in your titles, add in your descriptions, add in your tags. But the big difference that you're going to notice here is you want to be able to have your customers know which product is which. If you're selling a mama and dada shirt and they're the same colors and the same sizes, you need a way for someone to differentiate them. And that's where this part comes in. And it's called variation name. So for this one, for example, I'm going to put dada shirt, and then we have our mama shirt. Say we have a bachelorette shirt. We might have the bride shirt and the different bachelorettes shirts. So many different use cases for this. So I'm just going to list it like this, and then scrolling down, again, go through what you would usually go through when listing on Printify, and then you're just going to hit publish. And now once you actually go to that listing in Etsy, because Printify is going to create that listing for you, and if you give it some time, it'll show up within Etsy. And if I go down to my sizes, I can see here that now I have dada shirt small, dada shirt 4XL. I've got my mama shirt and my mama shirt all the way to 4XL. So this is super easy for my customers to know which product they're buying based on the variation name. When you're creating each of the different variations, one thing you don't need to do is you actually don't need to publish this so it's live on your Etsy store. As long as it's live within Printify and has the SKUs in there, Printify and Etsy are going to speak to each other through these SKUs. So when I'm actually creating all of these different variations, for example, here I'm creating a mama sweatshirt version, all I have to do is just save to draft, because we're not actually using any of this title, this description, though you might want to title it something that you'll be able to search for it by later, because there are times where you'll need to call back this product, but you don't need to go and fill out all the Etsy information, because we're going to do that again when we create the multi-product listing. So for this one, I'm just going to save as draft. And now, for example, this listing, I actually want it to be the same design, but I want to offer it in a t-shirt and a sweatshirt for my customers. Maybe for you, you also want to offer a long sleeve or a different type of product, depending on what you're selling. Customers might want different products. And what you can do here is just select the two again that you want to be in that listing. So for this one, I just want this to be a pure mama listing, but I want them to have the option to buy a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. I'm going to select the two listings and I'm going to go to multi-product listing again, and then just fill that out. It did have mama sweatshirt and mama shirt, but because for me, for this listing, they're selling the exact same design, just to make the variation names a little simpler, what you can do is you can choose to just change it to sweatshirt and shirt, or you can keep the mama in there, whichever you would like. And one thing to keep in mind for this one, I was just showing you what would happen if you created a listing that had different print providers. I don't really recommend mixing print providers. There are some cases where you'll have to. Maybe you're offering a product that only is offered by one print provider and then one of the products is offered by someone else. But it does make it so much simpler, and you're going to save on shipping if someone orders multiple products, and is all going to go in one package if they order multiple products, if you use the same print provider for all of the different variations. So that's something I would highly recommend, and to avoid using different print providers when possible. And now just a few seconds after hitting publish to that one, this is what has shown up in Etsy, and we can take a look at the size here, and we have the sweatshirt and the shirt, which is awesome. And these are going to speak back to their respective Printify listings to make sure the right one is printed. And what's awesome is because we select the size first, if you take a look at color, it's a little bit confusing because it actually offers every single color available between these sweatshirts and t-shirts, but I might not have every color available in both a t-shirt and sweatshirt. So if I have someone select a sweatshirt medium, the colors are actually going to filter down, and I can only select the colors that are available for sweatshirts, versus if I change to a shirt, scrolling down, now you can see the colors changed to pepper and espresso. Another tip I have for this is just keep it simple still. Don't be offering 3 different types of t-shirts, 3 different types of sweatshirts, a tote bag, a mug. It's going to create confusion in your listing, and the Etsy AI is also going to have trouble figuring out exactly what you're selling. I would keep it to max 3 products. For me, I personally would just do t-shirt and sweatshirt. And maybe if you have a matching mom and baby shirt, then you have maybe some toddler shirts. Maybe you can offer some baby suits and an adult shirt. So that one, maybe you can have a few more different variations in there, but just don't go too crazy with this. It's just going to create a little bit more buyer friction at the end if they find it confusing as to which product to select to get the product that they were hoping for. And now make sure you're going into your Etsy listing, you're adding photos that help people understand what the sweatshirt looks like, what the t-shirt looks like, what the different variations mean. Make sure you are clearing up any confusion. Make sure you are following the best practices for Etsy SEO so that this listing can actually be found. And now what's going to happen is when you make a sale on Etsy, it's automatically going to show up within Printify under your orders because you linked all of your listings back to Printify by publishing them through Printify. And even now that you have these 2 different variations, Printify has been able to map that back to them so that when you actually get an order, there's nothing you need to do. Again, they'll pick up the order, they'll print it, they'll ship it, they'll mark it as shipped for you within Etsy. So this is going to save you so much time. I'm curious, what are your thoughts on this? And are you going to be using this in your store? And if you learned anything new or how to use this product today, if you could drop a like and subscribe, that would help me so much. Thank you guys, and I will see you next week.